Good morning, class 4. Welcome back to the moral science class. Nowadays, we are going with revision work. So, you prepare for the revision work. Chapter number 2, page number 13. Chapter number 2, page number 13. First of all, come to the part express yourself. Express yourself. Number A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. There are some lines are there already I have done, and you have also done completed the class work. In the revision work we should do it again. So first I am going through the that is the fill in the blanks. I am holding the page. Please follow this. This is important for the revision work. Number A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the fill in the blanks. You please, if you notice, you can get it. On the top, I have written some numeric numbers. That is, disappointed should be in 5. You have to know, you have to know not to be disappointed even for the smallest task. This one. And bigger should be on 4. The ant grew bigger than anyone's expectations. This way, chronologically, number 3 to 1. Responsible should be on 3. Instruction should be on 2. And first should be on 1. So, I am holding it. Please go through. Now, next part is the write the opposites of the following words. Responsible, irresponsible. Interesting, boring. Protest, support. Perfect, imperfect. Important, unimportant. Right. I hope it is visible because I have used a dark pen. I hope you have finished. Now we will come to the question and answer part. You please open your classwork interleaf copy where you have written. I will start from question number 1, page number 13. Question number 1. And I am reading out. What did the teacher keep in mind while handing over the jobs to children? Answer number 1. I am holding it. Please follow nicely. I hope you can see. While handing over the jobs to children, teacher took into account which of our pupils had been most responsible during the last year. Now number 2. What job was Rita given by her teacher? This is number 2. Teacher gave a responsibility to Rita. She got a small box containing some sand and an ant on it. Please check your answers. Thank you. Now turn the page. Question number 3. Question number 3. How did Rita make her job special? I can give this way. How did Rita make her job so special? The answer should be same. Rita was a responsible girl. She started investigating and she learned about different species of ant, and also she started to learn about their habitats. Now question number 4. What good news did Rita's class get one day? Rita got an award and she got a chance. Those are not, these are separate words. A chance to assist Dr. Martin for investigating all kinds of insects in tropical rainforest. I'm holding it. Please go through. Now come to the last answer. What did some of you have faced some problem and you have requested me to repeat the answer? Now please focus on question 5. What did you learn from the story? It is very easy. You can write on your own. We have learned that we can win the goal by our hard work. Either you can write this way, otherwise, if we love our task, we can win the race. Okay? So children, from chapter 2, you have to learn these are the things, these are all your revision work. Pay attention. Chapter 2, page number 13 from the book, what I have shown you. Page number 13 from the book, word meaning and fill in the blanks and question answer in your copy. With whatever we have discussed today, you should learn. Page number 13, question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So children, I hope you all have understand. Let's focus on your study. Pay attention. Ready for the for your test. All the best. Bye bye. Next day we'll start the revision of chapter 3. Whatever we have done in the book. Thank you, children.